For consignment at Classic Auto Mall is this incredibly rare 1967 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro. One of only 602 Z28s produced the first year, this was one of only about 20 produced in this color, making it even more rare. It has very nice paint, rally wheels, period correct red stripe tires, rocker chrome, plus date and part number correct Holley 4-barrel carburetor, numbers matching M21 4-speed transmission, and correct PJ stamped 12-bolt posi rear axle. For more information and to see nearly 100 pictures and to get all the details, visit classicautomall.com. And don't forget to subscribe to see all of our great new inventory.